How to change text message notification sound in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on messages app and then click on notifications. Now here you can see the option notification categories. Now click on it and then click on incoming message notifications, allow notifications, background task, other notification. Now incoming messages notification. Now click on alert and then click on sound. Now here you can change your messages notification sound. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.